Okay, in this video, we're going to learn how the Element.replaceChildren method actually works for DOM manipulation. So here's my HTML. It's just a select with a bunch of option elements. And I want to, let's say I like chocolate cookies, I can click transfer and it will transfer the whole element to here. And I can also transfer it back and forth. And I can also select and do multiple transfers. Now we can do this without loops by using Element.replaceChildren. First of all, let's go to the HTML. I have a test div right here. Right now, it just says, tell me what you like. If I copy this in here and I dot replace children and I replace it with df, you see that. Now, you might wonder, does it work like in an HTML where you can do this and it'll be an H1? And the answer is no. Okay. In order for it to work like that, you need to, let's say, const new HTML. You actually have to create it via create element. And then let's say I create an H1, and then I say that H1's text content is, let's just say replaced. And then when I call replace children here, I just pass in new HTML. And you can see it works. If I change this H1 to H5, it gets smaller. Okay, let's use it in a better way than this. So what should we call this function? Well, on the onClicks, they're both handle transfer, passing in the event object. Function handle transfer event. And then here, whoops, before I paste in the code, let's check which button they clicked on with e.target.text content. And then I'm going to see if that text content includes the string like. If it does, I'm going to create these variables. So if they click transfer to like, all selected item will select everything on the left or hate column that are checked, like so. Okay. And then saved items will save all the current items that's in the like column, so that when we replace it, all the previous items are still saved on the bottom here. And yes, we can spread in arrays of HTML nodes. And since replace children taking an infinite amount of arguments, we can spread both of these in like this. And then if you do an else statement, you can just copy this, and hate should just now be like should now be hate, and that's the last one. And then now, if we select grapes, bananas, kiwis, we transfer the like, it works. If we transfer back, it works. Can we transfer both back? Yep. Transfer forward, and everything works. Cool, right?